In this video, what I'm going to do is go over a set of work boots from the company Hunthor, and these are the size 9, and you can kind of see right there on the side. I actually had these on, used them, and put them back in the box for the purpose of this video. So what I'm going to do is just open them back up and show you what you get with these things. So right there's one of them. And these are actually steel-toed boots, by the way, because they are a type of work boot. They came with these little cardboard inserts, and I'll just kind of like go over the boot itself here. Number one, there's a steel toe in it, so that's awesome. These are great for farming in a factory or something like that. They have a steel shank in the middle, so that is an anti-puncture steel shank. Nails will not go through that technically. So this area right here is a different type of rubber than this two area, and there's a metal shank in there. Kick tab in the back. You've got rubber that goes up to here, and then it's 6mm neoprene from that last part right there. There's an adjustment in the back. I love the back where you can adjust the gusset around the back of the calf right there. Comes down tight. You can tighten it up. So that way, you know, sometimes when it's raining, water will go down in there. These are 100% waterproof, by the way. I took them out. I did a little fishing around some bank fishing and kind of walking around a river, just casting around and just kind of like walking through the water, testing them out on some rocks and things like that. I was very impressed by the non-slip outsole and how well they performed on wet rocks, and just kind of like walking around the river and casting around and kind of like just doing a little bit of everything. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the Hunthor work boot. See you all in the next video.